Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best circular saws that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Circular Saws. Circular saws are one of the essential tools a woodworker can have, be it professional or just a hobbyist. Most any type of construction project requires a fair share of cutting. Circular saws are incredibly versatile and help to make quick work of a variety of materials, not just wood. These saws aren't a new technology by any means, so if you are in the market for one. Number 5. Ryobi 1T505 18 volts lithium-ion cordless circular saw. The handles of this power tool are aligned with a rubber mold. This increases friction between your hands and the tool, improving handling in most conditions. Main features: adjustable bevel, extra side handle, transparent lower guard. Number 4. Official Rotorazor compact circular saw. Rotorazor saw is a multifunctional circular saw that is easy to use and can through different materials such as wood, laminate flooring, plastics, aluminum sheet and so much more. Main features: cut any type of material, easily cuts in any direction, lightweight. Number 3. Mini Circular Saw Haichika Compact Circular Saw. The soft rubber handle reduces hand fatigue effectively. Also with a dust port, you can connect it to your vacuum to maintain a clean working environment. Main feature: adjustable cutting depth, 3 blades and compact, durable and powerful motor. Number 2. KIL 5280-01 15 amp circular saw. The single beam laser guides cuts with increased accuracy. Anti-snag lower guard reduces snags when making narrow cutoffs. Main features: spindle lock for easy blade changes, lightweight design, 51-degree bevel capacity. Number 1. TAC-Live circular saw with metal handle. The double protection switch prevents the machine from accidentally opening, promises a safer cutting job. Motor post position separates the front and rear gravity. Main features: valuable accessories, powerful motor and 6 blades, metal handle and laser design. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.